Now, dear students, question number 3. Today we will do question number 3, 4, and 5. So let us see. Probability. Find the probability of pointer stopping on D in question number 1A part. So we have discussed the probabilities also, if you remember, like probability of A, because the two outcomes are there. So 2 by total 5. Now they are asking for the probability of D. So if you look at this wheel, spinning wheel, you can see that D is coming only for one time. So we'll write 1 in the numerator, and because total 5 sectors are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sectors are there. So the probability of D is 1 by 5. If they'll ask you probability of A, so we can answer it as probability of A is equal to. Now how many outcomes are there for A? There are 2 sectors for A, so we'll take 2 in the numerator divided by total 5 sectors are there, we'll write 5. Now probability of B, if they will ask you, we have discussed in question in the previous lecture. So if they'll ask you for B, B is coming for one time, so 1 divided by total 5. For C is again 1 by 5. So these are the probabilities that we have done. Now the second part is probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. 52 playing cards, dear students, means ताश के पत्ते. Total कितने होते हैं? There are 52 playing cards. So let us discuss the complete detail of the 52 playing cards. Here I have made a chart for you to remind these things easily. Now playing cards, total 52 playing cards are there. If you have the playing cards at your home, you can check this information from them also, and I'll show you a picture also of the playing cards. And you have to make this table in your notebook in the same way. Okay, complete detail. So total 52 playing cards are there, and they are divided into 4 categories. So if I'll divide 52 by 4, we'll get 13. 13 4s are 52. So each category, each group will contain 13 cards. First group 13, 13, 13, 13. So 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 is 52. Now let us check what is the name of these categories. Now first category is spade. We call it spade. पहली कैटेगरी होती है स्पेड, जिसे हम पान का पत्ता कहते हैं हिंदी में in case of playing cards. So 13 spade, and the color of these cards is black. ये जो कार्ड्स, ये स्पेड के कार्ड होते हैं, जो पत्ते के कार्ड्स होते हैं, they are black in color if you'll see the cards. Second category after spade is club. Club means चिड़ी, चिड़ी का पत्ता. You all might have heard about this. So चिड़ी का पत्ता, that is known as club, and its symbol is this. It is again black in color. If you will see the cards, it is again black in color, and the detail I will discuss. Now third category is heart. Heart means dil, is red in color, so again it carries 13 cards. Then next, last category is diamonds, that is again red in color, so these 13 cards are named here. So you can see this is of black category, this is black. So out of 52 cards, how many cards are black in color? कितने कार्ड हैं black? 13 यहाँ से black, 13 यहाँ से, total 13 plus 13, 26 cards are black in color. Similarly 13 plus 13, 26 cards are red in color, right? So now if they'll ask you what is the probability of getting a red card, तो red कितने हैं? 13 plus 13, 26. तो आप न्यूमरेटर में you will write 26 divided by total 52. Same if they will ask you the probability of a black card, so total 13 plus 13, 26 black cards are there, so 26 divided by total 52. So this is the way. Now let us discuss what are these 13 cards. ये जो 13 cards होते हैं, ये कौन कौन से होते हैं? The very first is A, इक्का. We call it as इक्का in Hindi, and in English the name of A is ace. क्या बोलते हैं इसे? एस. सेकेंड इज दुक्की, 2, 3, 4. The cards are numbered from 2 to 10, right? So 10 cards. After this 3 more face cards are there. अगर आप पत्ते देखेंगे, if you look see the cards, you will find that the cards carrying G, J, Q, K are having faces on the cards. face बना होता है. J is the jack, जो कि एक प्यादा हिंदी में बोल देते हैं. ये सोल्जर इन इंग्लिश. सोल्जर है, जैसे एक वॉर है. अ सोल्जर जैक इज़ देयर. in the palace a queen is there, तो और K is meant for king, तो बादशाह, बेगम और ये प्यादा होता है. सो JQK, बिकॉज दीज कार्ड्स हैव द फेस, इनके ऊपर फेस बना होता है. दैट्स वाई दीज कार्ड्स आर नोन एज फेस कार्ड्स. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर फेस कार्ड्स किन्हें बोलते हैं? JQK मीन्स जैक, क्वीन एंड किंग. These are known as face cards. Similarly, the second category club, they are having the similar 13 cards. Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then a jack of club is there, जिस पर ये सिंबल बना होगा. इन सभी कार्ड्स के ऊपर क्लब का सिंबल बना होगा. इन सभी कार्ड्स के ऊपर स्पेड का सिंबल बना होगा, दिस लीफ. Then again heart is having the similar 13 cards. Diamond is having similar 13 cards. So dear students, if I'll ask you what is the probability of getting a face card, can you tell me what is the probability of getting face card? तो इस पूरे टेबल में check how many face cards are there. 3 face cards of spade plus 3 face cards of club plus 3 face cards of heart plus 3 face cards of diamond. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, total 12 face cards are there. Total 12 face cards are there. How do we get? We'll get 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 from each category. So we'll get, so 1 jack is there. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 jacks. Here is 1 jack, 2 jack, 3 and 4th jack. 4 jacks are there. Queen, how many queens are there? Let us see. 1 queen, 2, 3, 4. So 4 queens are there. So we'll write it as like this. Now let us check how many kings are there. 1 king, 2, 3, 4. Again total 4 kings are there. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 from each category, 4. So if you'll add them, you see 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So total 12 face cards are there, right? So this question can be asked to you. Now if I'll ask you how many black face cards are there, dear students, black face cards. तो black में ये तीनों आ जाएंगे and these 3 will be included. So 3 plus 3, 6 black face cards are there. So what is the probability? 6 divided by total cards, 52. What is the probability of getting red face cards? So 3 plus 3, 6 divided by total 52. But if they will not give you the specific color, अगर black या red ना पूछा हो, what is the probability of getting a face card? तो total 12 face cards are there, 12 by 52. So this is the answer. If they'll ask, now the question is, what is the probability of getting an ace? In the book they are asking the probability of getting an ace. So let us count how many ace are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of getting an ace we can write in this form, or we can write it as A. So there are total 4 ace cards divided by total number of cards are 52. So this is the answer to the given question. So I hope it is clear to you. Dear students, make this chart in the similar way in your notebook by coloring them. Color this spade and club as black and heart and diamond as red. Okay, make a cloud for face cards, make a cloud for total cards and ace. So by studying this chart you can answer any of the question. Okay, let me ask you some more questions. What is the probability of getting a spade? Now I am asking only spade. So how many spade cards are there? 13. So probability is 13 divided by total 52. Similarly, probability of getting club. 13 club cards are there, 13 by 52. 13 heart cards, 13 by 52. 13 diamonds, 13 by 52. So in this way, any question can be asked to you in the exam. And this chart you will study in your 10th class also, in your 9th class also. So do not forget this information of the playing cards. That will help you in your 10th class also. So this is very important. Now dear students, C part, probability of getting a red apple. So here the chart is given to you. Let us first count the total number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll take 7 in the denominator, as you know the formula. Total number of outcomes. Now they are asking the probability for red. So count the red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of getting red apple is 4 by 7. If they'll ask you the probability of green apple, so how many green apples are there? 1, 2, 3. So probability for green apple. Write this question also in your notebook. Probability of getting green apple is equal to, because 3 green apples are there, in favor of green 3 apples are there, divided by total number of apples 7. So this is the answer to C part.